Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do a fun video, and we will do a bag swap between this Chanel rectangular mini in chevron and this Chanel holiday makeup bag came in this year, and it's just crazy how this makeup bag was so popular because a lot of us are buying it and making it as a crossbody bag. And I put this strap, which I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna link it down below, and it came with this beautiful tassel and this Chanel like chain. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to put things from my rectangular mini through this makeup bag, and we'll also try to see and compare both how this 3,000 plus US dollars Chanel can compare with this $70 Chanel camera bag. If you will convert this makeup bag, it will look like a camera bag. And I know you can never compare a leather Chanel to this makeup pouch, but you know, it's just fun to do. How does it look side by side? And I will also do a mud shot at the end, so we'll be able to see the difference of this very expensive leather classic Chanel comparing to this camera bag or makeup pouch. So let's get started. So if you will see the chain that I got from Amazon comparing to this Chanel chain, it looks like this together, and I think this only costs $14 from Amazon, and this one came with this tassel, and the length comparing both, let me see. So the length is basically the same. This is just a little longer, this one. And this one comes in this beautiful glittery material with wipeable lining. I also made a triple unboxing of this makeup pouch, and I will link it on the description down below, so you're gonna see what comes in this makeup bag. And it's just sad that it is in limited edition and it's now sold out everywhere, but you can still see popping up in the reselling market. And I attached this strap here at the side. Here, there's a hole in here that it came with this material stuck together, and you just have to open it by inserting a small scissor or something pointed that could open this hole. And here it looks like this, and comparing it with my rectangular mini, it looks like this. So rectangular mini is more wider and a little bit longer, and on top it looks like this. This rectangular mini is structured, while this one is more like squishy, and it can stretch a little bit if you're gonna put stuff inside. So I really packed this rectangular mini, and you're gonna see stuff that it was way squeezed inside. And by the way, this is a 17B Medicine Caviar rectangular mini, and this is one of the best rectangular minis that Chanel made, as it is still popular as of this time, as this is sold way more on the reselling market, especially the pink one that came out with this. So here I place my mini pochette, and inside the mini pochette I have this Chanel lipstick and Dior lip glow and another Chanel lipstick and a Chanel compact. So I'm gonna put it all back in here. So I'll put it in here. And by the way guys, it also comes with a zipper which has Chanel in front and at the back. So it has a beautiful zipper, and it is in brushed gold hardware. So we're gonna put this mini O case, and then inside I also have this Chanel card holder and this Chanel lotion, which is so bulky, and here. So it fits everything, plus you can still fit more since it stretches. So we're gonna put another, oh, maybe we're gonna put sunglasses here on top. There you go. And it just fits all together. So this fits a sunglasses more than this rectangular mini, as it stretches, while this is structured so you cannot really stretch it much, unlike this makeup pouch that it can stretch. And it is just fun to have. This is not for everyone to wear it crossbody, but I thought I can't, as well, as I'm thinking it might look tacky or it might look cheap having a makeup bag carried as a crossbody bag. I carry this proudly whenever I go to the grocery or I just run some errands, and it is nice to have this as it doesn't really cost me much worry. I didn't pay much for this, and this strap from Amazon that I got really looks beautifully with this makeup pouch. This looks like really like a camera bag, and this one has like a Chanel painted here. It's gold paint in here. So it's so beautiful. So what do you think of this, guys? I am a Chanel lover and I wear this proudly whenever I carry this. And let me know what are your thoughts on this bag, if you have this, or what strap do you attach it with. Put in your comments, guys, as I would love to hear your thoughts on this. And thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Take care, everyone. And now let's go ahead and do the mud shots.